All right, what's up, everyone? This is Cowboy B from Wet Jet Performance. I just wanted to show you guys that awesome and radical Triton exhaust. This one's all powder coated and put in. We're going to do that install video for you, but I'm going to actually give you a quick overview right now. This one is modified. That's why the back pipe isn't powder coated, because we have to make sure that we're going to fit, because these are designed to go right-hand exit over there. And it comes with all the pieces to go right-hand exit, but if by chance you have to pay extra to get left-hand exit because you have someone else's exhaust or our exhaust and you wanted to go that side, it's possible. We have to R&D that here to make sure it all works out for you. But the best way to accomplish that is to install it backwards. So you're basically going to start from the rear exit outlet, install your 90 up to the 90 pipe, back to the 180, here to the mini race water box, and then over to your Triton exhaust manifold right here. So this is the piece that you're going to put in here first. Lock this in just like a water box, pretty self-explanatory. And on a 2020 and up, all you're going to do is cap the water lines because they're not needed, because you have an internal water jacket. There's no need to tap it here. But if you have 19 and back and we make a custom Triton exhaust for you, yes, then you will drill out the bottom of these holes. Then you run your water lines. We got a T here and a T here, and you run it to your water lines, and we drop water in the front and the back to do the extra cooling. But the 2020 and up models don't have that issue because we have an internal water jacket, so there's no need to run it here. We just cap it off. Just looks good, looks awesome, looks like it's business in here. But button this down like a regular water box, tighten the two clamps here. It's in place, suspended, not going anywhere. Then we make this curved here, so the race water box, and you have to extend your exhaust temp sensor. You're going to extend it about 8 to 9 inches so it reaches all the way back there. We remove the carbon fiber intake just so we can video and show you this. So this is the overview. The install is pretty straightforward, just like the rear exit, except if you got left-hand exit, you're going to start from the outlet back for the install. You're going to install the 90, run it back here to the 180, get all this lined up, and then line it up here with the manifold like I told you earlier. Just wanted to reiterate it. And if you have no exhaust and you opted to go for the mighty Super Triton, pretty much all you do is install the piece here, mount this piece here, you take your other coupler here, and it runs over to the back corner, so you can go right side exit, and we have the temp and everything just like a regular rear exit exhaust. No problems at all. Just wanted to give you a quick overview, and we'll give you some revs to let you know how the mighty Super Triton exhaust sounds. This is the most wicked exhaust you can get. Pretty much a water box, 2 water boxes, high-end construction, rear outlet, everything all in one. It comes with a circle outlet, but you can't upgrade to the rectangular, so we got options to cover you here. And you can get it powder coated or you can leave it raw aluminum, whichever you like. But you're gonna spend this much on the exhaust, you might as well make it for you and color it, make it match your paint scheme, your wrap, go all the way. There's only gonna be about 50 of these made per year, per model. So if you're lucky enough to get one, we appreciate your ordering. Man, you had to be here. You can feel the concussion up in your chest when it's going off. Rattling your ears, it's gonna rock the water. Once you're in the water, of course, it's a little bit quieter because you got water running through the water box. But man, it's a full straight up race exhaust. Can't wait till I get the first P1X racer with one of these out there ripping it, letting it loose, get them with that stage 2 or 3 tune, and get them rocking. So you guys know where to come get that hot in the trunk at Wet Jet Performance. This has been Cowboy B. Peace.